Maya, do you ever think about money?
Yes, Arad, I think about money. Sometimes, money is important, but money is also confusing.
I agree. Sometimes. I feel stressed about money. I feel like I need more. More money to study. More money to travel. More money to live.
That happens to many people. Money is a part of life, but we should not let money control our happiness.
That's true, but Maya, sometimes I feel sad, because I don't have enough. I feel like I am behind other people.
Arad, listen slowly. Everyone has a different journey. Some people have money early in life. Some people earn money later. There is no race.
Soft sigh, yes, but money gives comfort. Money gives choices. Money gives stability.
Yes, money is helpful. Money is powerful, but money is not everything. Family, peace, love, health, those things are priceless.
Maya, how do you save money?
Very slowly. I save a little every month. I track my spending. I avoid buying things I don't need.
That sounds smart, but sometimes I want things. New clothes, new phone, new gadgets.
That's normal. We all feel that. But the question is, do we want it, or do we need it?
Good question. Most of the time, I only want it, not need it.
Exactly. If we learn this difference, we learn how to use money wisely.
Maya, do you think money can buy happiness?
Soft smile. Money can buy comfort. Money can buy food. Money can buy a house, and travel, and safety. But true happiness comes from inside, from our heart, from gratitude, from peace.
So, money helps, but happiness is something different.
Yes, money is a tool. Happiness is a feeling, and feelings don't come from things, they come from meaning.
You are right. I think I should learn to appreciate what I have, instead of crying for what I don't have.
That is wisdom. Arad, that is emotional maturity. Money will come, slowly, with patience, with hard work, with discipline.
Thank you, Maya. Talking with you makes my heart feel lighter.
And talking with you reminds me to stay grounded. We learn together, we grow together. Arjun, sometimes I feel scared when I think about money.
Scared? Why do you feel scared, Maya?
Because money feels important, and sometimes I think, what if I don't have enough?
I understand. Money is important. We need money for food, money for home, money for school, and even money for travel.
Yes, and when I see other people earning a lot of money, I sometimes compare myself, then I feel small.
Maya, many people feel like that, but comparing never helps. Everyone has a different story. Everyone has a different journey.
That's true, but still, I want to learn how to manage money better.
That is a good thought. Managing money is a skill, a very important skill.
Arjun, do you save money?
Yes, I try to save. I follow a simple rule.
What rule?
Whenever I receive money, I divide it. Some for needs, some for wants, some for savings, and a little for future investment.
Wow, that sounds smart, and it sounds balanced.
Yes, it helps me. Even if I save a small amount, I still feel proud.
I like that. Money shouldn't control us. We should control money.
Exactly. Money is a tool to help us live, but money is not everything.
Sometimes I think people forget happiness while chasing money.
Yes, some people work day and night just to earn more, but they forget to live, they forget to smile, they forget to rest.
Money can give comfort, but not peace.
Yes, money can buy things, but not love. Money can buy a bed, but not sleep. Money can buy medicine, but not health.
That is powerful. I like that.
Money will come when skills improve, when confidence grows, when we work with patience.
So I should focus on learning?
Yes, learning, practicing, and improving. Money follows value. When we become valuable, money will follow us.
That feels peaceful. It gives hope.
Yes, because life is not a race. Life is a journey. Step by step, we grow.
So today, I learned something. Money is important, but balance, discipline, and peace are more important.
And I learned that we should save, spend wisely, and keep growing.
Thank you for this talk, Arjun.
Thank you too. Talking helps, sharing helps, learning helps.
Yes, and one day, we will be confident, stable, and peaceful with money.
And when that day comes, we will smile and say, it was worth it. There is something I still think about. Sometimes, I feel afraid of losing money. I feel scared that one day, I may not have enough.
I understand, Arun. Many people feel that fear. Money is important, but fear can make life stressful.
Yes, you are right. When I see bills, rent, food cost, travel cost, I feel worried.
I used to feel the same, but then, I changed my thinking. I told myself, I will learn, I will improve, I will grow.
So, you mean learning helps?
Yes, learning about money, learning about saving, learning about spending carefully, makes us feel strong, not scared.
I never learned about money in school. We learned math, but not money skills.
Same here, but now, we have the internet. We can watch videos, read books, listen to experts. We can learn step by step.
That feels good, like there is hope.
There is always hope. Money is not just about amounts, it's also about attitude. How we think about money changes how we use it.
That is deep. Can you give me an example?
Of course, some people get money, and they spend fast. They want everything now, but some people save slowly, invest wisely, and think long term. Both have money, but only one feels safe.
So the mindset matters more than income?
Yes, mindset, discipline, and patience.
I like that word, patience.
Money grows with patience, just like a plant. You water it, you care for it, and slowly, it becomes a tree.
That is beautiful. So, money is a plant.
Yes, a plant we must protect, not waste.
Thank you. You make this topic feel simple, not scary.
That is why we talk. Talking helps us learn. Talking helps us grow.